Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris, back with another video. We're gonna do oil catch can maintenance today. I've been running a catch can on my Camry V6 with the 2GR FE engine for about a while now, and it actually makes it's actually doing real good. It's catching a lot of oil. These engines are known to have a lot of oil go through the PCV, so I added the catch can on there to help catch a lot of that oil instead of going back into the intake manifold, and so far it's been doing good. So today we're going to do a little maintenance, going to empty out the catch can, see what it caught. It's been a good maybe 6 to 8 months since I've done the last maintenance, so we're going to see how it does today and see what's in the can. So let's check it out. So I have my catch can mounted up back here, and I used to have it, well, I was thinking about putting it up here in the front, but then I converted to a true cold air intake, so it wasn't really going to fit good there, and I didn't want to be dealing with it there. There was a lot of more space back here, so went ahead and did that. So let me go ahead and unscrew it, and let's see what it has. By the way, this catch can is made from ADDW1, really good quality. So I have a little scouring pad in here just to help out, catch extra vapors and all that stuff. So that's doing quite good. Let's see here what it caught. It's a good amount of oil, actually. I mean, that's just what's going through the PCV. And if it wasn't for that catch can, it'd be going back into the engine essentially. So I think that's pretty good. It's doing a good job. So I'll go ahead and clean this up and put it back into the car. And that'll be about it. Just wanted to do a maintenance update on y'all that have been following the catch can, just to kind of help you out and make a decision if you want to kind of put one on your Camry, and it really helps out. Y'all have any other video requests that y'all wanna know about this particular Camry, go ahead and put in the comments. I've had some questions about the cold air intake, the catch can itself. I have a transmission cooler right down there. Right now it's just temporarily zip tied, but it's been working out so far, keeping the transmission temps cool, and it really helps with the shift quality. So y'all have any other questions, go ahead and shoot me a comment. I'll be glad to help y'all out and answer any questions. Laters.